So, sixth grade cello players, we have been talking about improvisation and doing that with the shuffle rhythm on the song Cabbage. And that really uses your bow, but all three of you have also learned the bass line for that. And there's something that we can do to add some variety to what we're playing on the bass line as well. So I'd like to talk to you about that just a little bit. And there's a couple of things we can do. We can play the shuffle rhythm, but that gets a little busy and sometimes hard to play with pizzicato, with just plucking the strings. Something like that would sound like this on the bass line instead of. There's your bass line for Cabbage. You could double up on some of those notes. That's kind of doing the shuffle rhythm. That doesn't quite flow as well. So we tend to not be as busy on the bass line, so we have room for the other instruments to play those parts. So what we're going to add though is a sound effect, and it's called the slap. So instead of going like this, where you're resting in between each of those notes, you're going to take your hand and you're going to slap, figuratively, the fingerboard, and you get this nice percussive sound. So you get this nice one and kind of sound. And let me play that really slowly for you. Here's the bass line from Cabbage with the slap. So there you have some variety. Let me take that up to speed. I'll play the standard bass line up to speed, and then I'll repeat it and put the slap in there. Notice that when you're playing the slap, it's right on the offbeats, the ands. 1 and 2 and. Okay, it has a definite spot in the music. It's usually where you're resting. It's in those spaces. All right, so here's the bass line. Ready? 2, 3, 4. With the slap now. All right, have fun with that.